Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to on do not disturb in our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to on your do not disturb, so you can on. And guys, now let's see how to on do not disturb in our Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So then first of all, open your phone setting to on do not disturb. Then guys, scroll it and guys click on this sound setting guys. And guys scroll and guys you can see your do not disturb, so let's click here and guys you can see turn on now, so we will on from here. So do not disturb will on. Then after guys you cannot listen your any sound like that, your ringtone, touch sound, dial pad tone like that. So I hope friends you have understood how to on do not disturb in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye friends.